Welcome back, my people. Welcome back to all my viewers and subscribers. What I go on with? I hope everybody is in good health, peace, and have a nice time and is just enjoying life to the fullest today. Now, to all my viewers and subscribers, I got a different kind of video for you today. Nice video. Yeah, man. It's like, did you know? Yeah, the video is like, did you know? Anyway, before me go into the video, to all viewers and subscribers, may I ask you, please, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, make we all our vibes, make we talk, make we discuss anything you say in the video that you want to discuss with me. Now, to all my viewers and subscribers, see me have a picture there? Yes, man, I bet you. And can any of you in the comment tell me who is this? Yeah, can any of you in the comment tell me who is this individual in this picture? Yes, comment down below who is this person. So, my people, today I really want to talk about this young gentleman right here. Yes, goes by the name of Colaz. Yeah. I know many of you me trick on, don't. Anyway, me didn't trick on. Me never trick on. This is Colaz back in the day. Yeah? This was the entertainer Colaz. I didn't know that. And I know many of you don't know that either. Or didn't know that. But this person is the same person that we are idolizing right now. Colaz Smith. Yes, Colaz Smith. This is Colaz Smith, aka Colaz back in the days. Now, my people, I do this video because I feel like people really need to know a little bit more about Colaz Smith, aka Colaz. R-E-D-Z, not S. Yes, I think people need to know a little bit more about Colaz and aka Colaz Smith, sorry, where him a come from. And what I have to say to all my viewers and subscribers right now today, go back 12 years, yeah, 2011, type in 2011 Colaz Smith and just go back and watch how he comes up, how he reach where he is right now. Yes, I'm asking you all to go back and do that. You're not going to only to do that because I tell you to or because I say that. But what I think it will also do is I think it will also help you to realize who he is, who he was, and realize he haven't changed. Yeah, he haven't changed at all. Yeah, man, him not changed, none at all. So, when I went digging, I said to myself, you know, I need to learn a little bit more about Colaz Smith. Because I started this here channel that you see, I changed the name a whole bunch. I started to try to do YouTube from 2009. I was working a lot, doing both cooking, because I'm a professional chef, doing cooking and work after I just leave Jamaica. So I was working, cooking on the side, so I don't have the time to really but I made the channel because at that time I was working hard because I have to make sure my mother and father is okay back in Jamaica. you know. So I wanted to do YouTube, but I keep putting it off, but I still watch YouTube. But the reason why I'm saying that is on the day when I say Colaz Smith TV, yeah, and I start to watch it. When me start to watch him, one day I say, this brother is smart and, but still not do the YouTube channel. Because I still I work and I do the catering and the events. So then by moving and moving, the catering get bigger, and then the job when me at work find out that I have a small business. So when they find out say me have a small business, yeah, them fire me. Them call me at the office and tell me say them don't need my service anymore. Mindfully, I was the manager. Yeah, I was the manager of the security company. Yeah, the manager. So they said they don't need my service anymore. So I didn't say nothing. I shake the guy hand and I leave. I go straight into doing the food full time. But I still watch the YouTube, until I put up some food videos. If you notice, you look on the page, you see some food videos. Yeah, I put up a few of them, but and I go be honest with you, I say to my lady, I go start the YouTube channel full time to do it, a little bit more. And she always say, oh, you just talking, But I keep watching YouTube and I realize that I'm getting a bit more focus on Colaz Smith. And people, me go tell her this straight. Colaz Smith is the one who really make my head go. Yeah. So saying that and saying this, when that issue comes up with Colaz Smith, you see, I didn't like it. Yeah, me not go telling a lie. Because me realize, me see my help everybody, me see my help people. And what I do, I wouldn't do it. Yeah, some of them things when me see my do, I wouldn't do it because I help people. Even I have a food feeding program that I do here, and I have a small one that I start in Jamaica. Not gonna really say nothing about them that much yet until we get some more better way of putting it out there. So what I do is I start the channel. Yeah. I start to do the channel because I just didn't like what I see was going on. So people to say that is just to show you all that Colaz Smith is like a idol for me with the YouTube thing. So I go give him what is due to him. And there's a lot of us, a lot of content creators now. If it wasn't for Colaz Smith, a lot of us would not started a YouTube channel. Yeah, we have to be fair. You have some content creators is calling us, like myself, small YouTubers. We just come. But we all have to remember, Colaz Smith starts somewhere. He started when he was little bit, yeah. And look where he is right now. And the reason why he's where he is right now is because he did not put out anything, any bad things out there. He put out good. He help people. He do everything that is good in his eyesight, and that's why Colaz Smith is now a famous, a fabulous, a celebrity, a YouTube star. A lot of us, we need to take a page out of Colaz Smith book. I've taken about 5 pages. Yeah, I'm still learning. Yeah, me still learn YouTube. Me still try to get a little bit more knowledge. Me still try to learn a little bit more about YouTube. But thanks for Color Reds, aka Colaz Smith. Because if I never for him, a lot of us would not be a YouTube content creator. So my people, what me I try to put out there is go back. Watch him videos them. Watch even the story time when him and him now wife, then girlfriend, discuss and talk. I think that time they married. Yeah, they married to that time. Yeah, they married. Yeah, because they married long time. Yeah, when they show some old pictures of them. Yeah, it's, to be honest with the Colaz Smith, I don't know if you go watch that video or you go pay it any mind, but enough respect you out. Yeah, man, enough respect. Yeah, enough respect, enough manners, enough honor to you, because if it never for you, many of us would not start a YouTube channel. Now, viewers and subscribers, go back and watch some of his videos. Yes, go back and watch some of them. This here is Colaz Smith. And this is the song. So it says Colaz Reds. COLAREDZ. Dream Girl. 12 years ago. Yeah? So, in other words, viewers and subscribers, Colaz Smith was built for this. Yeah, Colaz Smith was really and truly built for this kind of thing that he's doing. Right now, he's in Brazil doing some things that I don't know if I don't know if I'm doing it, but God is with him. God is guiding him, and as he says, we out here with no fear. He have no fear. So this go check out this song. I think this song is on his channel also. Dream Girl. We can't play the Dream Girl because of copyright. I don't want to be copyrighted, so I won't play the song. Yeah, I won't play the song, but the song is called Dream Girl. Yes, the song is called Dream Girl. So guys, I just want to highlight some of those things that in his younger year. At one point, Colaz Smith, I hear him said that he was going to do have a drone channel where he would be taking drone shots. So he have a vision. He have is the ideas that keep running in his brain is just not normal. You see, he's been doing all the things. If we go back and look, he come up and he start to do the cooking. Then all of a sudden, everybody start to do the cooking. And not one day, you hear Colaz Smith says on his channel about if it wasn't for him, nobody would start do this, nobody would start do that. Because at the end of the day, we all have to start somewhere. We all have to see somebody do something and follow it. So you have some content creators that is just acting like the YouTube channel is just for them. You know, and I think, how should I put it? And I believe that a person like Colaz, he's a big YouTuber. He have over 150, I think he have 168,000 followers. And he don't hack like he have all those followers. He just don't hack that way because that's not him. I really appreciate him. I really proud of him as a Jamaican. Yeah, man, I'm proud of him as a Jamaican. Yeah? Most of all, proud of him as a Portlander. Yes. Proud of him as a Portlander. Yeah, man. For real, for real, for real. If you know that a person come from the parish that me come from and is doing so much for himself, helping so much people, helping his family, putting food on other people's table without they even knowing it. Because let me tell you all something. He's putting food on my table because I do video about him. And that's what most of us don't know. Most of us don't realize. Most of us don't even take the opportunity or take the time out to thank him or to even thank YouTube. You know, sometimes we as people leave that part out of it. Yeah, we leave that part out. Why? I don't know.
Yes. Okay.
Now, my people, that's Colaz Smith right there. Oh, yeah. We out here with no fear. Yeah, that guy have no fear. So, you know, my people, viewers and subscribers, just take a time out and go way back. Listen to The Dream Girl by Colaz Reds. That's C-O-L-A-R-E-D-Z. Colaz Reds. Yes. So, my people, viewers and subscribers, I just have to say something about Colaz. And I didn't want to make it like I'm talking to anybody, but I'm just trying to say to you all, go over to Colaz Smith and go way back, 12 years ago. Watch them videos. Comment on those videos. Like those videos, because to be honest with you, those videos let you know where I come from, who he is. Young church guy, love his church, and to be honest with you, love his lady too. I appreciate him. I appreciate what he's doing. I may appreciate him as a young man from Jamaica, from Portland, which part of Portland. Yes. So, on the behalf of myself, my team, my viewers and subscribers, peace and love. Remember, if you like the video, share the video, comment on the video. Make we talk. Not say a word. Remember, you know, go and go watch some video over Colaz Smith. Remember, the Dream Girl. Go listen to the Dream Girl. The Dream Girl nice. You have talent. Yeah, man, you have enough talent. Please.